Okay, this check valve is flowing backwards, and you can see this is a little bit crooked here, the spring, so we're going to replace it with a new one, and we think it's causing DE to leave the filter, flow through the valve, back down into the pool every night, leaving a white film on the bottom of the pool. Okay, here's the problem. We took off the old one, and we mentioned the spring was crooked. Yeah, it was a little crooked, but the big problem is the flapper disappeared. The main part of the check valve is gone. So we believe it got sucked up into the multiport valve of the filter, and we need to open that up and remove the obstruction. Sounds like I'm operating or something, but that's exactly what we're going to do. Okay, so this is where we're at. We have pulled out the check valve. We have looked through there. It didn't come into the multiport. We have separated the multiport from the filter itself. It connects right there. We pulled out a few of these. Now what we're looking for is the old flapper. This oval piece, somehow it got pulled. Once it broke, it got pulled into the filter. And we took out some grids, and there it is. That's the old flapper. I don't even know how that got there. So there it is.